Good day, my people. How on that day? I hope you are doing good. A quick introduction before we start the video, because I know um, most of you or some of you have never seen me with my face. Like you've never seen the face behind the channel. So this is me. My name is Boy Ray, and I'm Nigerian. So let's put that one out there. Proper Niger boy. You already know. Do not mind the accent. Don't let the accent deceive you or anything. Proper Niger boy. But hey, so I don't want to waste much of our time. There's gonna be a slight change to the channel. So usually, what I did was compile some put together some TikTok. So this is gonna be how we will be doing the videos. So I'm gonna be watching along the videos with you guys so we can both laugh together. You feel me? So this fresh compiled uh TikTok videos. So I hope you all enjoy this. Oh, by the way, special thank you to to a special thank you and shout out to the subscribers of this channel. You guys are the gang. You guys are the MVP. We are on our way to 500 subscribers. So let's round the numbers up. Let's get to 500 subscribers, and that will be huge for the channel. Thank you guys once more. So without wasting any of our time, let's go straight into the video.
So what is your problem?
Please, sir. My father swallowed shovel and my mother swallowed hammer. Please, we need some money to take them to the hospital, sir.
Well, as a philanthropist, what am I here for? If I no do one for you, go do one for you.
So
Take. This is the sum of 300 million. Take, manage it.
300 million in the
Next.
bag.
What is
Okay.
your problem?
Sir, I'm a widow with 700 children, and none of them is going to school. Please, I need money to send them to school.
700 children. I think you really need money.
She need more than money.
This is the sum of 400 million.
Thank you, sir.
What is your problem?
Sir, actually, my boyfriend bought me this.
Hello. Sir, she don't have any problem. Sir, my problem is just 4. Number 1 is money. Number 2 is more money. Number 3 is money. And number 4, I need money, sir.
Well, that is not a problem. I think the sum of 500 million will do.
Exactly, sir. Okay. Hold on, I'm coming, sir. Just give me 5 minutes, I'll be back.
Okay. Anyway, as
He
you
was
say,
gonna bring
what
his
is your
family.
problem?
My guy.
Oga, abeg.
Okay. Before he even say anything, I already know what's gonna happen. He's gonna buy so much stuff for the money where you never even see.
See, if na credit, I need to sell credit. I beg, come out from my shop, they block fresh air.
Guy, why they talk like this now? Because of small money why they owe you, now you just they look down on me. Eh? Can you do me a favor?
I need to do you any favor. The last favor what do you till now you never pay me.
You still the shock Ronaldo. How God tell they show this small boy Messi. The papi you know yesterday is not the same papi.
What a line. What a line. When he said that, I was waiting for the punchline. What a line. Hold on, bring that back a little bit.
You still the shock Ronaldo. How God tell they show this small boy Messi. The papi you know yesterday is not the same papi anymore. God have done it for me. 500 mil. How much is your food shop?
Person when
money-
they owe me 2K. Since last year till now, you want buy my food shop.
For money when you never see.
I say, how much is your food shop? Answer me, and I'm giving you the money now. Okay, in short, I'll give you 1 million.
What if he comes back and the man is gone?
Where's your machine today?
People get mine though. No.
Let me show you how millionaires do their things. 500 mil. From now henceforth, papi, millions. Where are your fuel? Where they say there?
How this one go to end so?
Watch me.
He want pound the store. For
Swings.
Hey, you like the way the shop they burn? Don't worry, I'll give you 1 million. Eh? It's nothing. You are my guy. In short, I'll make it 1.5. Make they go.
person go die.
And poor landlord.
Person go die.
Here you want give me the money. You do the rush, yo. Calm down. I'll give you your money. If like say you see the way for me, may I come meet you, Abi? La kaka.
Oh, you're not hear me, lay. My son, you know get other person from a village.
Who be your son? Person wey get money no dey get respect. Oh. How many months rent are they even owe you? Okay, now 2 years. Elderly man like you no go respect yourself.
For money where you never see.
I want to pay you off from this compound.
My husband, what is going on here now? What is going on, baby?
Who is your baby? Come on, stand here.
Jesus.
The last time I checked, your papa no get reach 500 million. He died as a poor man. I'm tired of you, self. You are no longer my spec. You are going out of shape. Are you playing?
Only had the job.
Lol.
With fat belly, flat ash, with big head. I want to settle you, please. I don't want to see you around me again. Follow me. Make una wait here. Shaman, I'm sorry for the inconveniences. I'm here for the money now.
Oga, you don't keep me here waiting for too long. If not be saying 4 people I won't help today, I for don't go since.
I'm sorry, sir.
Not be juju be that. Not be juju be that.
Loads.
And that's it. Cut.
Hey!
Okay, sir. My director said I should come and take the bag. We are done shooting.
Hey!
My land.
Now move you now they shoot.
You don't know before?
Hey!
How good you am now?
You go give me the 1.5 million now. I don't need the land again. No. If not, out of 2 of us, 1 person go enter grand here now.
For money where you never see, you go to burn people house. What are you?
How are you? Nice, sir. Titi Lion. Is he your girlfriend?
Yes, sir.
Titi Lion. Titi.
Yes, sir.
General Overseer. Prophet, you scan very well.
Now you love her so much.
Yeah.
You love her so much.
Yeah.
You intend to marry her.
Yeah.
And you wanted preparing your visa to travel.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
And now the money you want to use for the documents, almost 2,700,000.
Exactly.
Wow.
She told you that you should give her the money by tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
That you should give her the money by tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
By tomorrow.
By tomorrow.
And the reason why she told you to give her the money is because she said she want to help you keep it.
Yes.
That you normally spend money anyhow.
Yes.
That when she keep the money for you, that the person you discuss with that will prepare your papers.
Yes.
By the time the person is ready, that she will be the one to hand the money to the person. Let me open your eyes. Can I open your eyes?
Open my father. Open his eye because it's ritual.
What I saw. Thank God you have not sent the money to her.
Please.
Kneel down so that because Mamaton is not tall.
What be this?
How many times have I told you to respect yourself?
You see, you were looking for a way to transfer the money to her.
Yes, sir.
Because you felt she want to help you.
Yes, sir.
But you told her by tomorrow you will do that.
I will do that.
Because of the network problem you had today.
Yes, sir.
Thank God you've not sent the money. Can I prophesy?
Prophesy, man of God.
Amen. But I don't know whether if I tell you this thing, you go fight. Because the way they see you, you get hot temper. The guy don't breathe.
Papa, scan you very well before you will kill somebody's daughter.
Are you promising me that if I talk, you can be able to bear it?
I'll try.
You will try. For this guy to say he will try, I'm scared.
Man of God, just give him solution.
Solution.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, you know what I will do? I'll finish the prophecy. I would have told him something and call somebody's name. But I will not call the person's name. I will just carry the prophecy up.
Carry it up.
What I'm saying, if you had sent the money to her, you know what she would have done?
No, sir.
There is a young guy somewhere. And that guy is one of your friends.
Prophetic general. Hide that person. Save that person life.
Because he has hot temper.
Because of his heart.
Then I saw where the girl, the moment she received the alert, as she went out, she packed her load. She has been going out with the other guy, but you don't know. I see where two of them will move from Abuja and travel to Lagos.
I'll keep listening.
2.7 million. He will give the guy 2.5. He will tell the guy, I love you. Use it and start business.
Fear women.
With somebody's money.
Fear women. Hey, that guy, that boy, he's funny, and I like his content with mimicking the voice, with lip syncing the this funny church in South Africa. That church is funny, bro. Funny AF.
Kiki, long time. How are you now?
Man, I'm passing through a lot. Forget about me, Jai. How are you?
I'm fine, no. As you can see.
Sydney, how far now? I did alright, bro.
You sure say you did alright?
Yeah. I did alright.
Okay. Bro code. It's hard. My guy.
You claim broke, but since you did online, the same message, the same voice note since.
So you tell me say you never hear about Let's Chat.
I know about Let's Chat.
And you also don't say all the features on Let's Chat and zero data.
Huh? I know that one.
You can post on your status, audio call, video call, sending of files, photos, even messages, free.
I wish my life can be this free.
What do you mean by that talk now? My girlfriend is pregnant.
I feel like that.
Come on, you understand, be no money or ground. Bro, I'm broke. I can barely even take care of myself now. Come on.
Hey, yeah.
No worry. You know the year for people, man. Picky, you bring yes.
Yes, now. Begin the big blessing. You never hear before.
Oga, everybody know now.
Okay, you know what God do for you. See, don't worry. For the Bible says, children are a heritage of the Lord.
Yes, now.
Bonafest, you sure?
Bonafest.
Don't worry, no need to begin. Now blessing.
Don't worry. Begin.
They bring bless.
Yes? Your attention is on me.
Hush, little baby.
You don't finish? I don't feel any different. What about the blessing?
Wow, really? Now so now do. Really? Nah, don't do that. Children are a blessing. Only when you're ready to have children. If you're not ready,
When they be free, I want them to come online.
Watch who you call your homie.
let's meet, let's share, let's chat. Eskimi.
Can I put that in so much and come on for that, please? Madam, I beg put on rice 100. Put on beans 50.
You know one fish?
Live on fish and I got money fish. Put on yam 40. Put on potato 40.
Meat, Inko?
No, live on meat. Put on macaroni. Macaroni 30.
Twice, man.
Then put on spaghetti 50. Now put on stew. Put on yaji. That's your pepper. Put yowa. Never been so much thing. Hey. Hey, madam, I for perfume me ask you me. I dey buy rice 10 cedis. May you can put gobe 5 cedis. Sprinkle some garri for the top inside.
Jesus.
Cut onion for the top. I no like stew. May you come put akro. Finalize them with oil give me. How much?
30 cedis.
Your food come cost pa.
In Costa Rica, we throw these things away.
So that's the food you'll be eating in Ghana? Now, to be honest, actually, I like Ghanaian food. I visited a friend of mine, a Ghanaian friend of mine. Or more, the guy nearly used food kill me. Seafood, we were eating like all day. Nah, I forgot. I think it's banku. That was the first time I ever had banku, like Ghanaian banku. It was nice, but his Ghanaian accent was good. Yeah, this guy is funny. He's always funny. Hey man, this guy's content is so different. Like you can't predict what he's doing. His content are wild. Like the ideas, he's so creative. And my battery is running low.
I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I maddie.
Ronaldo or Messi, who do you think will make a better coach?
Messi, of course. Guy, you mad? Ronaldo. Guy, what's the problem? Don't insult me. Go and check their statistic.
But it's actually Ronaldo.
What with this? You better know yourself. You are Jebota. Come on, get lost. Guy, what you know about football? They go beat you.
No, you're gonna dig this.
I see what you did there. So you are an instigator.
I ain't never been with a baddie.
You incite
She calm, so I
problems,
added
huh?
to the tally. Madison, but I'm calling her Maddie. Like Mads try send me that addy.
Yo, bro.
Help me with your phone.
What's a right, then I left at the alley. Like Joe, you don't look too shabby.
Have you seen this before?
Oh shit!
What do you gain from doing something like that? You're a bad human being. Sydney, you're a bad human being. What do you gain from doing something like that? What do you gain? What was the reason?
She calm, so I added to the tally. Madison, but I'm calling her Maddie.
See how bro is just standing like the devil, because the devil only comes to kill, to destroy, and to ruin things. See how he's just standing posed up like this, looking for trouble to cause trouble.
Like Mads try send me that addy. What's a right, then I left at the alley. Like Joe, you don't look too shabby. Joe, you think I'm from the valley.
She's a bitch. She's a chipper.
My little bitch do the dirt. She didn't want to hate me, she let yeah.
Wow.
Like Dre too forward, Dre too bait, Dre too nuff. Like Dre too nuff.
She's a bitch. She's a chipper.
Sneak chat.
Dig this.
They're like Kato and this bitch go off.
What a hater.
What the fuck was the reason for this? There is none. Everything happens for a reason. My ass, like what? What did I do to deserve this? What did I do to deserve this?
Yo, why that's Amala. Why was the Amala so yellow? Or was it brown? I think it was yellow. Usually I thought Amala, the one I know usually was black. But the way she was just stretching the whole or is that starch? It could be starch. I don't know. But the way she was stretching the thing, it was like she was eating rubber. Rubber band. Hey.
Imagine Kanaya the dark position with me for COVID. Who is he?
What?
Maybe that was the way to make him before we kill him. Maybe carry like that.
You don't make a move. I be kill him. Oh. Not even driver.
May God help us from enemy of progress.
Now driver interest like this.
I got to take care
of every monitoring spirit.
Okay, no, get can I do it?
Every monitoring spirit died by fire. See, they just hold mirror the mirror person. That's crazy. Wait. I don't think y'all saw what happened. Let me bring back a little bit. Y'all need to see what happened. Now we hold on. Let me bring it back a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Didn't see that coming. Dope. Advanced FaceTime on Android.
Yeah. Look for look for something for me here. Yeah. I have a friend in America. Or say if I want to do video chats, there's something that you can download. He said your friend in FaceTime. Yeah. Download FaceTime. I mean know your video call. I tried it on the Play Store, but me sure I said like I don't see it on the Play Store.
Play Store. It's an Android phone. I mean,
FaceTime is only for FaceTime is only for iPhones, or you have an Android. It's an Android, no, yeah, then. FaceTime. So look on the phone now, yeah, mommy. FaceTime. Yeah, Jesus. You can't actually get it on Android. It's only for iPhones. If it was your brother, by now you will find it.
they always say that.
Just say you don't know the way I know. When you're in school, I'm sure they're teaching you how to do, but you don't listen in school.
Crazy. Yeah, that's the last video. Funny. Yeah, I think I should do this more often for real. I want to do this more. Yeah, that's the end of the video, man. Interesting video. Nice, funny, a very funny video. Nice compilation for sure. And I hope y'all enjoyed this one as much as I did. I will definitely be doing more videos like this. I want to react like live to it and get some laugh as well. You feel me? Hey, thank you guys for checking out this video. Man. I hope to see you on the next video. And please do not forget we are on our way to 500 subscribers. Let's get 500 subscribers on lockdown. And I will see you on the next video. Y'all have a good one.